Say, kids, what time is it?
Very effective. I used to use it a lot. The safety punch. I mean, here. See what I'm saying? Oh. See what I'm saying?
You weren't expecting that.
Grape nuts breakfast time.
Good. Some crunchy little nuggets bursting with nut sweet flavor.
Well, first we got to exercise them.
Do we have to?
Now, that's our agreement. We got to keep slim and trim. It helps to eat the right kind of foods, like a post-grape nuts breakfast.
I do, honest.
And we got to exercise.
How often?
You want your post-grape nuts?
Barn.
Come on.
A grape nuts breakfast fills you up, not out. 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 Fills you up, not out.
Delicious. Hello, boys and girls. How have you been this fine couple of weeks or so? I know it appears that I haven't put a video out in a while. However, I have. Unfortunately, WGM has designated that the music that I utilize is inappropriate as they're music Nazis. So I've had to remove them due to them disabling the sound, which is unfortunate because, I don't know, they weren't great pieces of work, but fun nonetheless. Hopefully today will be different. But we'll see. We'll just see. As you know, the hurricane hit Mexico, a little further south from us. I live in Houston. Maybe some of you don't know, but some of you do. And we did get some of the rain. And I have a few shots to show you what it's like to have part of a hurricane in Houston, Texas. Enjoy.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Well, boys and girls, that's all I have for you this week. Remember, always have yourselves a super day.